Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for late today. Uh, is my voice is audible to everyone? Yeah, thank you, Padma and Aditya. Yeah, before the class begins, today we are starting with an MCQs. Then afterwards, there will be having one classes going on. Okay. Before going to class, there is a one MCQs. It's a quiz. Say on the quiz is based on linear probing. Okay. I'm starting that one. It's a 10 minutes of time. Okay, please go through it. Yeah, guys, quiz is started. So please, everyone has to log into the quiz and make sure that everyone has to attend the quiz because that whatever the quiz we are giving, that is purely what are your marks allocated. That is, we are taking aggregated and marks is allocated for your final exam. Okay, please make sure that the quiz is mandatory for every class. So today quiz is also important. Please everyone attend the quiz. I am giving the time for you. Attend the quiz. It's almost 1:20, so I'm going to stop at 1:32 like that. Please go through the quiz. Once refresh it. Dheeraj, once refresh the quiz. The quiz is started, Dheeraj. Yeah, got it. Thank you, Dheeraj. Yeah, please go to the quiz, everyone. Yeah, today lot of people just came to attend it. Actually, every time I able to see 475. Today 509. It's maximum 30 to 40 students have came. And within the 3 minutes, uh, there are five students or six students have submitted, and they graded 100 out of 100. They are projecting their names also. These are the six students submitted 3 minutes of time. They took the 3 minutes of time. They completed 10 MCQs and they graded 100 out of 100. I'm projecting their names. Durga Prakash is saying that he's taking a lot of time for loading the next question. Is it for everyone or only for Durga Prakash? Suvrat Tiwari, please refresh your dashboard and definitely you will get find the quiz. Please refresh your dashboard. Once I read you also, you are unable to load that next question, right? Taking a time. Okay, Abhinav. Any other? Any other students have the same issue regarding that loading the next question? Yeah, Ganesh, you also right. Total right now 4 students have complained me regarding the quiz. Pushpakala, what is available? I don't know which means available. What is the meaning of available? Quiz. Yeah, I'm going to stop at more after 5 minutes. Yeah, Tiwar, you can attend the quiz. No issue, no problem. Please attend the quiz. Before closing the quiz, I will definitely inform you that when you are stopping the quiz, okay? Please go through it. I think this time 138 submitted and 138 students agree. I got 100 out of 100. Good performance. And whatever I'm going to give in the questions in the MCQs, 10 MCQs in that one, 5 to 6 are related to JNTU and remaining 4 questions are related for your placement. In the placement, definitely they will asking this type of question scenario. So whatever I'm giving the daily MCQs, in that 5 to 6 are related to JNTU and remaining 4 questions it will be helpful for your placement or even for your if you're writing for the GATE exam. If you're writing for any competitive exam, it is going to help you. If they needed, please take the backup of your quiz. Okay, these questions may be important for your future coming exams. So everyone, what you have to do, take a dump in that one. Yeah, please submit the quiz. Yeah, almost I gave you that 8 minutes of time. Make it fast. And almost 300 students are submitted the quiz. Remaining 209 students are has to be submit. Please submit the quiz. Yeah, please check it once. Refresh guys. The program 6 also am activated. Once check it the program 6. What is the error? Those are getting errors. Please, what do you do? Refresh. Once again, I'm stopping and on. It's going to start. Please refresh it. You definitely get it. I gave you this is the program. The program 6. Yeah, okay, okay. Before I will check that one, okay? After refresh, I was getting error, right? But before going that program 6, I will give that what is the problem statement. Meanwhile, I will check that and what is the problem. Before that, please check that and what is the problem statement. Then I will check that and what is the error and I will resolve the error. Anyhow, after that on the problem statement explanation, definitely I'm going to activate one more again. And this I'm going to give, this is the time for the next class. But the next class is coming on Wednesday, right? And before Wednesday, I'm going to stop the quiz. So before that one, I want to give an introduction that one, what is the problem statement of the quiz. Okay? Yeah. So you have to create a linked list. The previous one, you created a student list, right? Student linked list where you're going to insert in. Insertion can be done in a three ways you've done, right? Here deletion has to also perform three ways. In insertion, in insertion you've done three ways, right? Here also deletion you have to perform a three different ways. And display also same thing, exit is same thing. Previous is insertion of a insertion has done three ways. Now skip that one and you have to do deleting of a deleting a node in three ways. How to delete? The three ways you can delete. One is before order, one is before order, one more is a any position. I'm going to giving an example this one. Yes. So you assume that one you already you inserted three nodes. You created node 1, you inserted node 1, you inserted node 2, you inserted node 3. Okay, in a single linked list student data you already inserted three students which belongs to roll number, name and branch, next address of the node 2 and next address of node 3. So you created three linked list. What you have to do, you have to perform the deletion operation. There are two operations. Three ways are given the problem statement. One thing is LIFO. What is LIFO will be do? LIFO means last in, right? Last in, first out. Okay. In LIFO, what you have to do? There are so many raising hands. I will check it. Thank you guys. I did not share the screen. Yeah, everyone can able to see right now. Okay, thank you, Surya. Yeah. So I written this. This is a program. You have to create a single linked list which has to perform a insertion, deletion, display a student in a sequence, and you have to exit. Okay, in the previous program, what you have done, your insertion you have done the three ways of insertion. One is beginning, end, and at a particular position. Now, same thing. I want to give one more scenario that you have to delete the node before fifth one any position. Okay, same thing. So assume that one you already have a three nodes. You created a three nodes. Already N1, N2, N3, you created a node. In the node 1, you have contained some data, right? So what you have to do, while you're going to delete, it has to ask that one, which one is going to delete. If you want to delete LIFO order, FIFO order, or any position. Okay. any position. Okay, any position I'm asking, right? So what you are doing, what is meaning of LIFO? Last in first out means already first one, this one already you created node one inserted, then you inserted node 2, right, and node 3 inserted. So what I'm saying, if I press 1, it has to delete. Which node it has to going to delete? Node 1, node 2, node 3. Which one is going to delete? Node 3. LIFO order, which one is the last one? First one is N1, N2, N3. So if I press 1 LIFO, it has to delete node 3. Okay, it has to delete node 3. And if I say display, this is scenario. Okay, if I press 2, it has to delete N1. Application for me, last and first out application is like a canonical toy. So it's a tower canonical. You will insert, right. This is the first one, second one. You are inserting something weights. So first one is an what is called first weight. It's the last weight. Whatever inserting, the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, inserting line. So whatever the last you inserted, to remove that one, that is called LIFO. In the FIFO, what you will do? In a queue, what is called ticket counter. A ticket counter, those are person who enter into ticket counter, and whenever the work is done, you will go out, right? Next person will come, right? Next person will come, right? 1 second. So this is a scenario given by you. So in the ticket counter, the person who enter first, he will whatever his work will done, he will go, will come out of that in the queue. So like that one, you have to perform same thing. LIFO means the first whatever you inserted, you have to remove. That is called LIFO. The whatever in the sequence you enter N1, N2, N3, right? If you want to perform LIFO order, you have to remove N3. If I want to perform FIFO, it has to print. It has to remove N1. If I say any position, you can choose which position. Suppose if 10 nodes are there, N1 to 10 nodes are there. If I say remove 10 ninth position, and you have to remove ninth position, and you have to print 1 to 8. Already 9 is removed, right? 10 has to print it. This is the scenario I gave you. Okay, I will show you in a program. So what you have to do, the deletion, the previous whatever the question I gave you, in the question you need to update deletion in a 3 ways. One is LIFO order, one is FIFO order, one is any position. Okay, here in this one, it has to ask the user which operation do you want to perform. First insertion. So I inserted 10 gram CSE. Again insertion of second node. Okay, insertion of third node. Next, here what I am asking, which operation do you want to perform? Insert, delete, display, exit. In delete, when I pressing the 2 delete, it has to pop up in a switch case, or it has to print like a LIFO deletion, FIFO deletion, any position. If I say FIFO deletion, which node is going to delete? First node is going to delete, right? Okay, then afterwards it has to come to loop. Then if I press, then afterwards which operation I want to perform? 3. 3 means display. It has to display that remaining node. Means node 1, node 2, node 3. If I perform FIFO operation, the first node is deleted, second node, third node is going to print. Again it has to come out, it has to come to same position. It has to ask that in a loop, which operation do you want to perform. If I press 4, it has to exit from the loop. Okay, this program I am going to activating today, and this program I am giving a time from today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, before class starts. I am going to continue this program, and until when the classes begins, I am going to stop this program. Okay, anyone have it doubts in that one? Insertion should be done at which position? Insertion, no, already in the previous program file already I given the insertion number of ways, three ways I given, right? Insert at beginning, end, and any position. Now forgot that one, you write normal insertion. In the deletion, what you have to do, you have to perform LIFO and any position. LIFO means you have to delete last one. FIFO means first node. If you have 50 nodes, if I say remove 49 random value, you can remove the 49 and you have to print up to 1 to 48. If I say 1 to 50, if I say 50 48 node, you have to print 1 to 48. Then you already 49 is removed, right? Then you have to print 50. Done. And previous what is I gave you some quiz also, right? So hashing. So I want to discuss the just the 2 seconds, 2 minutes. Okay, the first question of what I gave you, a hash function is defined h of key mod 7 is used to insert the key 44, 45, 79, 55, 91, 18, 63 in index of 0 to 6. What is the location of key of 18? What is the location of key of 18? So 18, right? It is 7, right? 7 to the 14. What is the remainder? We'll got remainder as 4, right? Right? So answer is this one. Done. The next question what I gave you. Consider the hash table of size 7. So we are taking size 7. Okay. We started the index 0, 0 and hash function 3x plus 4 mod 7. Assuming that hash table is initially empty. Means it's an empty, it does not have any values or any keys. Which of the following is content of the table is sequence 1, 3, 8, 10 inserted in the table using the closed hash. Note that dash denotes the empty location. So how to solve this one? Already I solved this question here. You can check it. Okay, 3x plus 7, right? Sorry, 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. So initially we said 0 to 6. So you keep 0 here. So 3 into 0 become 3 into 0, 0. 4. 4 mod 7. 4 mod 7, what is the value? Guys, no one is responding. Yes, correct. So that value are going to inserting. Right? Next value 1. Next value is 3. Because we are going to see 1. Next 3 you are going to keep 3. Then you are going to keep 8. Then you are going to keep 10. So you will get the series like 1, 8, 10, so on 3. This is correct. This is an option. Which one? 1, 8, 10, like this. So option A. And how to calculate that load factor? This one. Given some hash table of 25 slots storing the 2000 elements. How to calculate the load factor? Simple. 2000 divided by 25. You will get 80. 2000. Total elements divided by how many slots? Total slots 25. 2000 divided by 25. Okay. Next one. Hashing technique which allocates the fixed number of buckets is classified as which one? It's not static. It's not dynamic. It's an external hashing, right? Right. External hashing. I gave you this one also, right? The key 12, 18, 13, 2, 3. 23, 5 and 15 are inserted in the initial empty. So option this one is the correct one. You can see that one. 12 mod 12 mod of 10 is 2. Right, in the 2 bucket you are going to insert. 13 mod 10 is 3. Right? 18 mod 10 is 8. So inserting 18 here. And is already this one already is repeated one, right? Which one is the true? The hash function takes a message of arbitrary length and generates the fixed length of code. And a hash function may give the same hash value for distinct message. 1 and 3, right? This one also I'll explain. I already explained, right? 9679, 1989, 4199 has a same hash value. Yes, because if you perform the mod, you will get 9 only. For this one also, you will get mod 1. 1 is the value. So both are true. 1 and 2 are correct. If there is a same collision, right? What is an hash function? It's a definition. So it can be for the exam or it can be a for the interview purpose also. Okay. Please once check it. It's working. The program 4. Sorry, program 6. No. Give me 2 seconds and I will update you. Yeah, guys, now check that there's I renamed as a program 6 underscore dump. Please refresh your dashboard and check that one. There is a program 6 underscore dump. Please open that program whether it's you can able to see that question or not. Yes, yes, it's working, right? Yeah, please open Rohan. Teja, please open the program. It's working, right? Please go through it. Okay, it's working, right? Okay, please go through it, and I am giving the deadline up to Wednesday before the class begins, means 1 p.m. Wednesday 1 p.m. And today Umesh sir is unable to take a class because of the internet issue. And the next class he will going to take the class. If you have any doubts regarding that quiz or in the program, please free to ask in the chat box. I am definitely going to help you. And whatever that I gave you in the questions, it covers completely for JNTU as well as for the placement, because me and Umesh are working in an FS. Even also refreshing, your code is not coming. Bharatwaj for only for Bharatwaj is a problem, or anyone have the same issue? If you have issue, please. If anyone have the same issue, please you ping me here. It's not a code; it's a question, Bharatwaj. You can able to see only the questions regarding what is that problem statement. Only for Bharatwaj has that issue, and Satvik is showing the same issue. Roshna is saying no. Roshna is asking some other question. That, sir, should we have inserted node at the end or at the beginning? Insertion is your normal insertion. Don't go for yeah. It's a program 6 underscore dump, Viraj. Insertion is a normal insertion. In the previous question, program number 5, insertion has been done beginning and at any position, right? Don't go there to question. Just you insert normally. How you're going to insert? Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5, node 6. Normal insertion should be done, but deletion has to be performed in such a way that one it has to pop up a window called FIFO order, LIFO order, any position. Okay, don't pop insertion, right? Don't keep your previous program here. The previous program is insertion should be done in a 3 waves, beginning and at any position, right? Don't go for this program. In this program, what you have to do, only you have to insert normal insertion. In the deletion, it has to pop up a window, normal window called FIFO, LIFO, and any position. Okay, based upon that command, whatever is inserting, it has to perform operation. If I say FIFO operation, it has to delete the first node, and if I say display, it has to print remaining nodes. If it anywhere position means, suppose if you have 1 to 10 nodes, if I say I want to, suppose example, if I say 1 to 10 nodes are there, if I say remove node number 6, you have to remove the node number 6. So how many are left over? 9. You have to display the 9 nodes. Suppose if I say that in the 10 elements, if I say that then perform FIFO operation, FIFO deletion. So which one is going to delete? First node. Okay, first node is deleted and remaining 2 to 10 has to print it. If I say LIFO order, last in first node, means you inserted in first node to last node. You have to remove the last node and you have to print remaining nodes. If I say exact position, that position node you have to remove it and you have to print remaining nodes. Is it clear or okay? And today quiz is okay. It's a linear probing, right? In the linear, I gave you in the linear probing. Two questions are twisted questions. Okay. Thank you guys. Today, please make sure that everyone has to try to solve that program 6 dump underscore dump. I will deactivate the program 6. Okay. And that's it today's class. And the next Wednesday class, sir is going to take the class. Before Wednesday, everyone has to, before the Wednesday, everyone has to complete that program 6. Then afterwards, I want to create the one application which consisting of complete. If you learn that application, you can able to code linked list. Okay. Thank you guys, everyone. Have a nice day.